Look who is cursing Shema for playing with the 100 buttons.
Good morning, world! Just here, waiting on Marvin when I leave the house. It is 9:57. Can't see it, but it's 9:57 in the morning. Yeah, I had a couple stuff to do today. I'm about to take this Body Key Super Green Aloe shot. Yeah, because as you know, I am, trying to lose 30 pounds for the summer. I only lost 5 pounds so far. It's been 2 weeks and I lost 5 pounds. But anyways, yeah, so I'm taking this. This is, it says, what does it say? It say, take morning and late afternoon, the first 2 days of weight management program. So yeah, like that, because my tummy is like high, so I need to get that down, see how much I can. But anyways, this pant got really loose on me, so I know I lost some kind of weight somewhere, but I mostly lost it in the lower body, but not like from my tummy area go up. I'm struggling a little bit, except for my shoulders. They're starting to form up, starting to get my muscles back, man. Yeah, I'm about to go and wash up my plants. Yeah, I'm really trying with that. Hey! Oh, oh. Hey, you. Wait. I'm so hype all the time. I love it. Anyways, oh, I forgot to tell you, the aloe shot that I was taking is from my business. I don't know if you remember I told you about this thing that I'm doing. I'm whiffing. That's where it's from. I'm just trying to get this thing back on the road, man. Anyways, I'm gonna put a link to I'm gonna put a link in the description box to my website, so you guys can go check it out. If you feel like getting the aloe shot, you can get that, and they have other things for weight loss if you're really into that type of thing. They have stuff for people that are health conscious and all of that. Vitamins, beauty stuff, home things. They got everything. Just go check it out and see, if you'd like to have anything up in there. Anyways, I'm gonna go water these good plants. It's my garden, man. Connor, why are you so hype, boss? Hi, no. I'm glad she doesn't drink the water, like dirty, nasty water. Anyways, this is what I got going on. The sun is hot, so my plants are struggling. Try to water them as much during the daytime, like, yeah. The plants are struggling, and I have plants here too. I just need to pull up the weeds. Let me zoom in on it. Oh, this is what I have. That's seasoned pepper. No, not seasoned. Sweet pepper. Yeah. They're struggling.
Yeah, and let me start. Alice.
We are in the car. Look.
Alice.
Look.
Alice. So where you trying to tell me?
Talking naughty things.
Hey, Jaga, wait. Pause it. Alice, so where you trying to tell me? You never do it. You don't do it, Alice. Marvin here. Marvin here, whole life you be.
Sisters here.
You don't do it, Alice.
What don't
And now he's questioning my poor best friend.
You don't do it?
Do what?
Look at my poor
What I mean
best
do what?
friend.
Do what?
You tell me the own 2 mouth, Alice.
That I do
The
what?
own lips.
Me my channel. Mama help me that. Yeah. It's big and thug like, yeah. Thug life. Right, Alice? We thugs. You're not a thug. We have to be thugs together, man.
You're gonna have to make the shot in it now one time.
Shorten it.
Oh, you're right now. Yeah.
I like it like this.
I like it. No, but what I say, they're gonna cut them to that one time.
Okay. Where we going?
What the place is it?
Not down here. Down. We in Point.
Which Chinese restaurant there?
The one, there's one over so, but their food always cold. We in Point, we in the ghetto, yeah.
I mean, it's still food.
Yeah, basically.
Even the microwave now.
Not even in the microwave they're throwing it. They're giving it to you cold, just like that. That's
wicked and raw.
God knows how long they have it
slim like that you want to get, like the white girl there?
The white girl, this
Spanish girl now, Alice.
Yes, to go in and eat some Chinese food, eh? Chinese. Wine your boomsy. Chinese. Wine your boomsy.
They have plenty going on and they look bus shot. You top on with Harry, Alice?
Guys.
We just had a wet fit.
Alice just got wet down by Marvin.
Alice wet Marvin down too.
I was too flabbergasted by the whole thing to even remember to pull up my camera. Everybody shocked, like, what the hell just happened? Oh, and not just any water, ice cold water with ice up in there, just close to frozen.
It was our drinking water.
Yeah, our drinking water. Yeah. Wet down my house, eh? How does that make you feel? Make man have a map up and so.
You know, I'm going to say
Remember our wet down?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Champion stand tall. So
I will put a link in the description box. The video with our water fight that we had.
Victory over two challenge.
Well, I wasn't about to go down without a fight, so.
Either Alice and Alice went down. Really went down. And you went on the ground. Alice went down and you went on the ground.
I don't care. At least I didn't go down without a fight. I didn't just make you
I
wet.
think Alice getting the worst because the water is ice cold. Ice in the water.
Marvin put me in the bathroom and turned on the shower and my little tail. Hey, you're so mean.
No, that's not mean.
Yes, it is.
That's being manly.
Manly?
Yes.
So you wouldn't just let me wet you?
No.
You're supposed to take it like a man.
Yeah.
Yep. That's right, take it like a man.
Well, you got it like a woman.
Okay. But I wasn't about to go down without the fight. Go and pick up Marvin's mama. We out and about. Look. That's an app where they have all those things. What's the name of that app?
100 buttons of and sound.
100 buttons of sound. What?
Vomit.
Yeah. Okay, good morning. It's Sunday morning. Not going to church today. No, Shema. No, boss. Guy. Get away. Oh, the thing is, you have this stupid look on your face. Connor, talk to Shema now, please. Anyways, yes, so we're just gonna clean up and whatnot. Gonna go island driving this afternoon. Yes. Yeah. And it goes with the feet there.
That works a lot.
Yeah, so we going island driving, just doing some cleaning up, and then we're gonna go God. Yeah, so I just finished folding some clothes and Shema getting hype up on his sound app thing. Ah, yes. Shema, boss. Shema have a sound app. And he's being annoying about
After
it.
I heard the scary Halloween music one,
Yeah.
I realized.
Okay, so yeah, we'll get this place cleaned up and yeah, try and relax before we go out on an island drive. Oh, she's not coming with us
not going.
because she's too good to be with us.
No, because I made plans and she didn't tell me. I thought she was kidding.
Why would I be kidding about something like that?
You like, I don't have no money,
whatever.
So I don't know what you're doing, but I want to go
Anyways.
island driving. So it's like,
Anyways, we're going island driving. She's going to beach with her friends because she's too good for us.
Nothing.
Okay, she's too good for us, but anyways, we're going island driving without her.
Money
Yes.
for yesterday, I basically
Don't-
went island driving.
Don't come close to me. Get away. Anyways, yeah.
Look who is cursing Shema for playing with the 100 buttons.
Oh no.
It's happening, but the machine gun again.
Oh no.
That's a submarine.
Oh no. We can hear the submarine too. Oh
Where'd that come in?
My heart is beating.
Fully.
Stop the madness.
Shame. Oh, shut up! Don't do that!
Yeah, dude.
Hey. Oh. Oh.
I have a WhatsApp message.
All the animals.
Alien invasion.
What's stupid?
This is the one I clicked.
You have to shift the gear on them now. What's she talking about, Shema?
Okay. Oh, I make it hype, boy. I make it hype. Madness, Shema.
You fail.
My favorite you feel.
This is sound overload.
This with Shema tablet.
So,
Y'all sure Ray not coming?
rain. still be in the car. Oh, the key. That's ours.
This is the vendors market, I guess. Easy. And now we're going to Courts. Courts. You guys know what Courts is? Y'all should have one in the islands. This is where you can get your furniture from. Now we're in the Tyndall Road area.
Yeah.
This is All Saints Road. And now we're turning in. Now we're on our way to get Auntie Nikki. So today, the tour, the people that we have already, we have Shada, we have Shamar, the newly 15-year-old guy. This is where you say hello to the camera.
He's being a teenager.
And we have my cousin Joshua Burley. You guys have never met him. He's my cousin, and my cousin meaning Alice's cousin. And we have the driver, yours truly. I don't know if you guys can see her. Man, Keshelle, whatever you guys call her. And we have Marvin pretending to be doing something over there. So yes, folks, we're going island driving. They don't know who Alistair is. Alright, so this is where we're gonna put you on pause for now.
Girl? Cousin Trev.
What's your name, sir?
Yeah. She gone with her friends, Auntie. Now with her friends. She had no time with us, but it's okay.
Stand up.
You work the thighs, Auntie.
Huh?
You work the thighs.
Travel. Passing. Your mother needs
Oh, look, Thomas.
Mommy, the inside the hot nervous.
Travel, if you don't pass it, make me lock the door and let
Thomas!
Stand up, Kakati. Bye-bye. Let's pray. Dear Jesus, thank you for this afternoon as we go driving out. Take us safely. May we have a lovely time. And we bless you and praise your name. Amen.
Amen. That way to the gas station. That water up. Being a bum. Oh my gosh! Lot.
Oh my gosh! Lot.
What's happening over there? Are you scared the hell out of me now? I'm not even gonna go close. I'm going to sit. Oh my father! I sit down to look over there. I'm not standing.
most of your body's gone.
I'd rather sit down and look over.
What the fuck?
I am not going to stand up and look over there. I was out of my mind. I have to come with the little people. And Alice looking hot. Oh, she looking. Joshua is okay, man. He's nice and cool. I resent that. I'm not always falling. Shoot.
Nothing in the way and you're doing this.
I'm always almost falling, but I'm not always falling. She's so cute. Hi, Babash. Watch his little cheek. I really don't appreciate the fact that you always have to holding up your phone. Where you walk with it for?
Early boy. Joshua.
You're so cute. What is the cheeks? Hi. Hi.
What's her
but I don't know if liquor is out here. No, it's Crab Hole Supermarket, not Crab Hole Liquor.
He's so cute. You cute?
The other day, you know how long I do eat that?
Why is that $7? My favorite.
I don't even know what snack I want. Now I see the snacks, I'm hungry.
I want
We are home! Yes! Just got home. My phone is ringing. The Alcatel ringing. It was a nice island drive. I, for one, enjoyed it. I love going around the island.
What a bit.
I love going around the island other than places in town. You know, I drive around a lot, and I only drive around in town really. But I love going to the country and see other places. But I would love it to be like an all-day event. Gotta fix up the vehicle and then go around.
Share look, either then. I come for you.
What are you doing? Anyways, I'm going to go and chillax now and go to my bed.
Bloody Mary.
Marvin?
Bloody me, huh?
Marvin?
Yeah. I eat a dead. You mean only knock out?
What you have there?
Cockroach.
Oh my god.
That.
Marvin is playing with a cockroach. What are you doing?
Only if I drop them say dead. Where you go?
They're not gonna die like that.
Where you go?
You can't kill a cockroach like that.
Where you go?
I'm sure that he must crawl away. Anyways, I'm just gonna drink some tea and go to bed. Back to work tomorrow. Pick up people's kids. Gotta make that moolah. You gotta survive. You gotta eat. Bedtime. Con outside, they're behaving crazy. Anyways, good night. See you in the next vlog. This vlog was mostly like sights and stuff. I didn't really do anything. Anyways, yeah. Night. Good morning, guys. Yes, I just set out adding this little clip here just to tell you guys great news. Well, Sunday after the whole island drive, Marvin got down on one knee and he so guess who's getting married, man? But that's not gonna happen for right now because of the whole situation around our lives right now. So we're just taking it slow, taking it one step at a time for now. I'm on top of the world, man. For the past couple of days I've been so overwhelmed and happy. You know, all you guys gave me congrats. Just want to say thanks. And yeah, I'm an engaged girl, engaged woman. But anyways, I'm gonna make a separate video with Marvin and we just sit down and tell you guys, you know, what happened, because obviously I didn't record it. I mean, I literally just ended the vlog and then he came over. He came home at my house and yeah, it happened. So we're just gonna make a separate video letting you guys know, you know, how it all went down, the story around it and all of that, because I was so into it. I didn't remember anything about vlogging or anything. He's not a vlogger. He's very shy in front of the camera sometimes, like especially for something like that he's gonna be shy. So yeah, we're gonna just sit down and let you guys know what happened. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye 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 bye.